Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Coursera for LinkedIn course certificates step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Coursera website. Log into your Coursera account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the My Courses section. Locate the course for which you want to authenticate the certificate. Click on the course title to open the course dashboard. In the course dashboard, find and select the Certificates section. Look for the certificate you wish to share on LinkedIn. Click on the Share button associated with the certificate. A pop-up window will appear with sharing options. Select the Copy Link option to copy your certificate URL. Next, open a new tab in your web browser and go to LinkedIn. Log in to your LinkedIn account. From your LinkedIn homepage, navigate to your profile. Click on the Add Profile section button. Choose Licenses and Certifications from the drop-down menu. In the Licenses and Certifications section, click on the plus icon to add a new certificate. Fill in the certification name field with the title of your Coursera course. For the issuing organization, type in Coursera. In the license number field, you can leave it blank if not applicable. Input the date of issue when you completed the course. Check the box for "This credential does not expire" if the course certificate is permanent. In the credential URL field, paste the link you copied from Coursera. After filling in all the fields, click on the Save button to finalize the addition. Your Coursera course certificate should now appear on your LinkedIn profile. To verify that it has been added correctly, scroll down to the Licenses and Certifications section. You have successfully authenticated your Coursera certificate on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.